Beckett here. Let me see what we got. Chill hop. Let's try chill hop today. Have it in the background. Nice buy we just had. Right at lunchtime too. That was fantastic. Would have had a loss there, but then a win right here. That'd be a good trade. Beautiful. Just got done working out, guys. Oh my gosh, got stuck in traffic. Good morning, Brad. How you doing? I'm like sweating. I meant to have time to come take a shower, but it's all good. I'll take it right after the stream. All good. Let me get this out there. Hey, Haley, baby. I guess my daughter and my sister are with us. What's up? Good afternoon, brother. All right, let me get this stream out. Morning, how are you? How did everybody trade today? My son comes in, he's 17 years old. My son comes in, he's like, Dad, look, he's in a $2,100 trade. These kids don't even have any idea how good they have it, huh? Thank you, Christina. I appreciate that. Of course, my dog's freaking out in the background. Anybody catch anything good? Yeah, it's live 11/11/25. 11/11. You have the subscription and notification bell on and all that? Oh, let me shut this dog up. Hold on, it's driving me crazy. Dogs drive me insane. Anybody catch this at lunchtime? This nice little pulse X trade. This is beautiful. What up, Roberto? How are you, buddy? Jay Duplessis. Good day, my man. Derek Lake still in from the bottom of the green cloud. Beautiful, bro. Good job, man. Good job. Let's try this minimal house. No, I didn't make a playlist. I was starting to at the gym today, and I'm like, man, I ain't gonna have time. But man, it's so much better on the members only. Oh my gosh, we were doing just everybody picks their own song, and I just play it. It's amazing. Got about 320 times 4 back on all those 6 in a row. Lost last night, 10 p.m. Beautiful job, man. Are you still down or? Yeah, I only took that one trade and we missed it by freaking hair. If we look at this last night. So I put this call out. Oh man, do I not have it up? I believe it's, yeah, this is right here. Right there. Right at the top. Put this call out. We end up slamming down to 1.23. Then we get, look at this, getting taken out by 0.5. 0.5, and then look what happens. By 0.5 points. This is what happened. Would have been up to a 26. See that? Crazy. Anybody catch that last night? If you used a little bit of bigger stop, you'd have been great. I put it in Telegram and under PulseX Premium, Solon Training VIP. Let's try this lo-fi. All right, guys, we are buying. Let's get a little Bob Lee. It's been a while. Little Bob Lee action going. That's for my daughter if she's on here. We want to try to catch this rocket. Actually, it might be actually happening right now. Let's look on the 5. Actually, before I go, let me kind of draw this all out. Let me go on the VWAP. I got to stop these dogs. I'm sorry. All right, there we go. Okay, so we came out of this block. This is our playing field, guys. We came out of this block right here. This 1 hour block. Bounced up super nice. Anybody take that bounce? Jeez, that's fantastic. And then we're in an hour sell block right now, but we're gonna buy until it doesn't buy anymore. Okay, since we're so close to this high, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this one up as well, like that. That's the one I bought in on the 1 hour bounce. Nice, bro. Good job. Good morning, Roger. How you doing? Congrats, Corey. Everybody, congrats, Corey, for getting funded. First one in a year. Congratulations, Corey. Good job, buddy. In it. You're in this right now. Beautiful. So right now we're looking for buys still because we're obviously very bullish. But just know that at any given moment, this could drop, okay? This isn't even technically a freaking block right here. So if this goes above here, I want to still call it a block. But, man, look at this wick is lower than this wick. So normally I wouldn't even call this a block right here. But we're going to have some kind of reaction off of it most likely. So might have to just go, okay, so this one's now mitigated. So let's just... Maybe we'll play off 15-minute blocks today because of what's happening. So we're just going to expect it to come up into this 15-minute block and reject. That's what we're expecting. Some kind of a sell-off into here. But we're going to buy. We're going to keep buying until we lose. All right? Actually, I'm going to keep that up, see if we can get it to spike it. All right, you see how this isn't higher than this? I'm going to mark this block up. Gonna be my first buy block. So on the 1 minute, I'm only looking to buy from this zone right here. So if it comes down to this section right here, go in. So see, oh my gosh, concurrent warning. That means I have another. Trading view open somewhere magically. That's connected. All right, let me delete that one. It's not that one, folks. Still didn't push this out. Facebook's doing a better job getting this out, or YouTube's doing a better job getting this out to everybody. If you guys are in this buy, you guys are absolutely destroying it. Yeah, not to mention, yeah, London highs. London highs right here. Here's Asian highs and yesterday's highs. So here's yesterday's low. Man, this is a good liquidity pool to take. I think we're gonna have some nice sell-offs today at some point. I really do. Hopefully we can get this pullback for a nice buy. It just took Asian low. I guess we already took that earlier. Or above Asian low, so bullish. Where's this these buys coming in? What's up, Rich? Let's try this music. Man, this just keeps going. Someone speaking right now or what? I'm putting on a little classical. I'm just gonna grab this whole little section right here. If we can get it, I should just keep going. This is the 15-minute block. That's lower. That's 50% of the 15-minute block, which I'm hoping we can get a pullback. Nice liquidity build up right here. But man, that Pulse X trade, you would have lost 1 or 2 right here, and you would already be up to 111. So that's what it's all about. My gosh, been killing those. New day, new accounts. Let's go. Hello, John, I believe it is. A new fit you today. Tana passed an EA on gold this morning. Beautiful. You like your gold. I like gold too until I don't. I see it. Sure, this tab is dead. There we go. Now I can trade. Come on down. That'd be a good little buy there if we can get it pulled back. Keep it tight, or we could put it right here. Keep it a little safer. That way we can wick this out. That's what I'll do. Nice and easy. If we take the highs, we get at least a 1 to 2 on that. Same, I love it. I hate it. Frenemies, exactly. Lanny Ramey, I just cashed out a grand and waiting for the pullback. Beautiful, Lanny. Good job. I'm going to actually share out the stream. Keep losing it, man. How's everybody's day going? Happy Veterans Day. This is Veterans Day, right? Thank you for everybody who served. You guys are awesome. There it is. All right, I'm going to get in. There we are. Came down very strong, so just be careful. Whatever, risk something you could afford to lose. This is on a funded, yeah. I want to try to hit like 700-800 on this one, and then I'll switch. I was out working. I lost both of my funded challenges due to the pending order that was activated. If you don't flatten everything with Quant Tower, your TP becomes a pending order. Yep, got to flatten it, buddy. Sucks, man. Sorry. That's good that you didn't take another trade, Corey. I don't love how bearish this is, to be fair, but I'm hoping I gave it enough breathing room to just wick out this low. I'm expecting this to be taken, honestly, because it needs some liquidity, but if you want to be super safe, you can wait for it to come back up above Pulse X, but I just got in. Nice. Not my favorite entry. I really want to see this close above that X line right there. It's kind of silly if they don't at least take this right here. Yeah, well, deity. Thank you. Very cool. As far as thumbnails go, like, I don't know, maybe I can give you access to like my AI thing. Let me try to do that. For thumbnails. If I could find that. Oh, it was Laura. Laura. All right, we took some of that. Hopefully that's enough. What we could do, guys, is get out of break even and re-enter right here. That would be probably a smart move. We did take some liquidity though, didn't we? I would expect to at least go up here. If it comes right here, I'm just going to get out and then get back in if it closes above. Many times being a gunslinger, jumping on everything, I'd prefer to be surf here. Now wait for the right moment. Yep. I mean, to be fair, to me, that is the right move because how bullish this has been. So I just exited, okay, at break even, and I'm just gonna wait to see if it goes back above here. Is it? And I'll use a tighter stop. I can't do this song. Nope. 15 seconds. Do it again. Just being safe. Five seconds. All right, that's good for me. If that loses, I don't know what to tell you. That should rocket up. Let me put the rocket out. All right, I really should share out my stream. I keep getting to it, my ADHD kicks in, and I'm like, oh, let me get to this trade, let me do this, let me get to this. Let me just share it out. I feel like I'm being a little too tight here. I'm gonna pull this to right here, which is the same size stop pretty much. It's just like, I can only do a max 10 micro. You could keep your stop there if you want. I just want to be safe. I don't really move stops often, but like, I don't feel like it's gonna come down there. We'll see. All right. YouTube did a good job getting it out there. I'm gonna share it now with my peoples. If my people don't know yet that I go live this time every day for the last 14 weeks, I don't know what to tell them. There we go. One more place. Facebook. My poor Facebook group. I always forget to let them know. There we go. Will you get up there? Sheesh. See, I can't really sell until this is broke. Strong solid close. Once that closes below here, I'd start looking for sells off this block. But I'm just gonna buy until it doesn't buy anymore, because every time I don't do that, I miss out on like the whole trading day. So I'm expecting a loss, just so you guys know. I'm expecting a loss coming up. I just don't know if it's this one or I expect it somewhere in here. I expect a loss, right? And that just means we're about to start winning a lot more because we're going to start selling. So if you don't like that and you want to wait for just sells, you could just do that. That's one way to do it. Yeah, this is MNQ, NASDAQ. What's up, dope? Who makes my thumbnails? Well, I got a guy that makes my thumbnails. I just got to have him do it more. I haven't really taken that serious, but I probably should, to be fair. Trying to make the pulse X line darker. Yeah, I don't even know how to do that. I got it. Let's see. Is there a way to do that? Style. Right here. Just pull that over, probably. What's with this market? Killing me. Yeah, I can't do white charts. That hurts my eyes. Used to trade white charts. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm blind now. Not looking great. Kind of is. I mean, it's not like straight bears, you know. This song, I hate this song so much. This is when I switch back to the AI generated and try to get lucky. Anybody got any plans for today? What's up, Bite? How you doing, man? Slow death. So for me to switch gears, I would need to see that close under that white line with a 5 minute to believe it's actually going to fall. Wow. There's the bears. This is good news for us, guys. We could have a really good sell off here. That's really good news, actually. Well, we got tagged out there. All right. So for all of you that are like, that freak out when you lose, don't try to get your money back. Okay, we're just waiting for the best setup now. We need to see that close there. I'm not buying it. So next 3 minutes, I gotta wait for 3 minutes to see if that actually closes. And there's a couple things we could do. We could get in, which isn't that big of a, I mean, it is a big stop, but if we wanted to catch it for sure, maybe I'll get in if that closes solid, but expect some drawdown, right? Actually gonna switch accounts here. Switch to a different one. So I want to put this up. See, look at that crap. This is where they're just trying to mess with you. Up. Gotta close. Let's see if there's a way to get back in this on a buy. So if it doesn't close down here on the 5, I'd be entering for another buy right here. So just so we're clear, I'd sell if it closes on the 5 down here. I'll buy if it closes here on the 1. Now, why would I do that? That's where I mostly blow up. I try to get my money. Exactly, JMO. That's why I said it out loud. Because a lot of people, they have that thought in their head like, oh no, I got to get my money. But no, that's when you're going to lose. You might get lucky and get money back, but then you just gambled and now you built a bad habit, you know? So we're just being patient. So I'm not believing this is sells until I see a strong, solid close of the 5. If this closes in a minute and a half below here, without this giant wick, I'm going to get in. Beautiful. Is this John? I wish I could like label you. Like what would I call you? That'd be kind of cool. 1 closes below this line. Let me measure this out. I don't love this wick. Really don't. 30 seconds. It needs... I don't even want... Alright, I'm going to be honest. I don't even want to sell this unless it's like this far down. Okay? Which it doesn't even look like it's going to close solid. I don't know. We'll see. That's just a subjective thing right there. So I don't even want to sell that unless it goes like... Because that wick's just too long. It's like so much rejection. It's saying it wants to go up to me. So if it were switching directions instead of waiting for entry, I would get in on a 5-minute close, right? But because we're so bullish right now, we can get in on a 1-minute close this way, right? So that's what I was saying. We could flip back because it never closed solid. We could flip back to buy it, assuming that it comes up here. And we gotta wait 5 minutes anyways now. So assuming it comes up here, we could try a buy again. Which, dang, this just tagged me out. Look at this. It literally tagged me out by 609 to like by 1.5 points. It tagged me out right here. That's unfortunate. put it below that low. So I only lost that by 1.5 points. I have HQ on and it's still so blurry. Is there anything I could do? Am I blurred to everybody, guys? Happened to me last night too. Well, haven't really used Mentor mode in TradeZilla yet, but you can try the beckandprivate@gmail.com. I haven't even done it with anybody, to be fair. So if this closes, I'm in. And 15 seconds gives me time, but you got to wait for that close. What's up, Stephen Price? How you doing, buddy? Getting ready for the buy. And I'm in. There we go. It's round number 2. Yeah. No, I wasn't on late last night. I just put a call in that and Solomon Trade. We get a rocket, please. One time. All right, so let me put on future stacking so you can see the fair value gaps. Get rid of that. Clear that out. Don't need any of that anymore. Took all that liquidity. Nothing left there. So we just have that fair value gap right here. I got you, Nick. Waiting for physical therapy. Nice. I did an hour fasted cardio earlier. Interval training, heart rate between 120 and 135. That burns more fat for me than anything by far. I know that's not physical training, physical therapy, but. And then I did a 30-minute sauna session. Then I got stuck in traffic. That was my morning. Then later this evening, I'll go back to the gym with my daughter. She likes to work out with me. She's a beast. She was just benching 100 pounds. I was pretty impressed by that 16-year-old girl. Wow, full shoulder replacement surgery. Man. Yeah, my shoulders have been bothering me, but I think it's my bed. So I just bought a new bed, waiting on that to come in. Good afternoon, Christopher. Hello, Yolanda Price. How are you? Good day to you guys. Good day. So we only took one trade and lost one, really. So this one's looking good so far. I still think your stops are just too tight. I think you're using the same. Are you using the same size contracts for every trade, Corey? Because if you are, that's what's wrong. I'm gonna be honest with you. Too much life. Like, I promise you, if you're using the same size contracts on every trade, that's what's happening to you. Because it seems like that's what's happening. Sure. You're okay either way, Corey. You're good, man. Just stick to the plan, buddy. But my seriously, the question is, do you use the same size contracts every single? Because a lot of people do that, and that's usually the problem that most people have. Come on, Rocket. Come on. Yep, got to. Every single trade is different. All the sizes are different. So, like, I put my stops in a place that's very in my mind, right? So if I use a 51-point stop, okay. So you actually measured 5 contracts times 51. Good. Be careful with just a wick here, guys. If we even get that, my gosh. That's the problem with these blocks, man. They're pretty strong. Open and get above here. Let's look left over here too. So this is where the 15-minute block ends. I'm just gonna mark up the one minute block there. See you later, Nick. Nick C, who are you, by the way? I don't even know who you are. Yeah, man, hit some balls, bro. Hit some balls. Need some mindset classes? Yeah. I think it all comes down to having your actual game plan, right? You got to have your plan in place. You got to do the same thing over and over again. You got to know what you're looking for. If you don't know what your A+ setup is, then that's the first problem. So you got to have one setup that you can go to every single time and do it over and over again instead of just like, that looks good and get in. You got to measure every single freaking you literally have to measure every single trade and get in with different size contracts every single time. Unless you use the same. The only alternative to that is if you have, like, let's say you only use 15-point stops or something like that. You need, Justin, you need to get the CME. I'm just going to take that profit. I just don't trust this little wick right here. You see how it wicked and came back down? And I was looking at the time and I'm like, okay. So I grabbed 200 bucks on that. This is a little funded account, so not my favorite trade, but I am expecting it to dump here eventually. So I need a better entry. I need to see some liquidity being taken. It was about $200 and some. Use money instead of points. So yeah, Justin, if you go up here and go to your name and then settings and billing, I believe. Then you go to subscriptions. And then you want CME group E-mini included, which, yeah, it's not that much money. It's 84 a year. Like that. CME, show you. You read that. See, Corey. So good. You got a little dub there. That's pretty good. Can't really make, like, you can't manufacture the market, so it's either gonna bust up or it's not, you know. I really want to tank. Now I really need to see those below here. So I'm just thinking it's gonna keep pushing, but we just can't take that chance. So you're on, you go like that and put your clicker, and it'll tell you. How many units? If you held it, you're doing good. Let's see. There it was. Nice. So it's actually going past that. My red block right here. So once it gets past that, then we can take another trade on a pullback. Didn't get past it yet. Let me look to the left. See, we have this little one right here too. I'll just mark that up for future. A weird song. Let's try this. When it's an A+ setup, how much should I be risking? The count. This depends on a lot of things, actually. Stream's a little choppy. Gosh, I have it on the lowest latency possible. Is it choppy for everybody? You guys are sitting at a point now. Get above here, then we get a pull back, then a buy. Not choppy for you? Stream very choppy. Pretty choppy. What's choppy about it? So strange. Nice streams. That's exciting. Voice coming in and out. Voice. Tuber, it's me. What's up, Johan? Payouts. Yeah, was it that way the whole time, or is it just right now? My upload. My upload tanked. It's normally 30 right now. It's normally 30. Let me. Someone's got to be on my freaking internet room. guys. Let me see if someone's on this. One sec. We're getting in on this buy here shortly. What's up, guys? Am I still choppy? How is it getting worse? Happy Veterans Day, guys. Let me see. Let me check it again. Let's see if my upload's back. Dude, they just... This is low. Usually this is 900. They just added fiber. So I'm hoping... Like, I didn't get it yet. They haven't, like, allowed me to buy it. Still horrible. It's usually 30. All right. Well, the thing is well, in 10 more minutes we go over to our members only, so Zoom should be good. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad when I'm doing the upload tests and speed tests and stuff like that. Anybody hold that trade? Let me see what I look like on my phone. And I just kept going. We were right. Such weird music, guys. That was a good trade. Dang. It looks fine. Let me know if you're not. It looks a blur and blurp in the internet. What was going on? Right, that's what I'm thinking too, Roger. I'm thinking streams better again. I don't know. You say that, but they might be protecting these highs, and all of a sudden it tanks. You know what I mean? Dang it! Look at that bear. Those bears coming in. So it took all these, like the easy liquidity. Like if you look left here, took these highs and all these, and it left this. So if they're going to keep the highs, this is exactly where they would actually force the stupid thing. So we could take like a risky bounce. This is a 1 hour. Block behind me is a 1 hour block, right? So we could take the bounce for it. I know that Michael's all about that. If it's a nice solid candle close, that's just one way we could do it. That's 4 minutes away. So it's either that or we take this. We take the sell right here. I'm going to do it just for fun. If it closes, I'll close right here. Maybe not even the close. I might just get in. Hold on, let me look. Got to measure it though. Yeah, I can afford to lose that. Yeah, I'm just going to sell it right now. This is actually right here. We did. It's my last like little risky trade. So you're going to smash or not, right? Don't risk too much on it though. You want to bounce? My gosh, how long was I like not? I don't know what's happening to my internet today, guys. Sorry about that. I have a gig down. We got this fair value gap here. We did invert this fair value gap right here. See this green? That was partially why I was deciding to do this too. So not only we invert, that means close below a buy fair value gap. We also close below this lower high or higher low. So to me, this could tank at least. I mean, at least without taking this low. I mean, we could go down to here and grab some extra money. Or it just goes up and we're screwed either way. So it doesn't matter. Smith's Insurance Agency, come back for a 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah. Roger might be going to the 5 minute fair value gap. I mean, there's all these fair value gaps down here too that it can easily get to. So it's like one of those, one of those situations. Eventually, I think this is all going to be taken. So there's that. Just kind of got to go with it. All right, 6 more minutes, guys. We're going to go live on our stream. Get your music ready, what you want to actually listen to, because this music sucks. Tell me, we're going to be taking requests today. 6 minutes. I'm going to get the Zoom stream ready, guys. If you're not a member yet, you want to hang out with your day from 2 to 4 and get access to my indicator and all that kind of stuff, and 36 live sessions a month. You can go ahead and join at SolomonTrading.com. For now, I'm just getting the Zoom. I did a 1 minute close just because it came all the way up here, didn't take it. So there's a good chance it could fall from there. So I'm just going for it. 5 minute. I mean, that works too. That 5 minute bounce. I don't like that wick, I'll be honest with you, but I like how weak it is going up. George straight. Yeah, Jim, save it for the Zoom. We're just doing every other person. You name the song, we play it. A lot of fun. Right, putting the link right now in the Solomon Training VIP in school, and then also in Telegram. Posted it. Telegram. If you guys are new here, we go live every day at 1 p.m. Eastern to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single day. So hit the subscribe and notification bell. I'm going live for every day for like 13 weeks straight, Monday through Friday. I think they're all in there now. Right there, Solomon. All right, everybody's got the link. So I'll be starting it up in 2 minutes. If you guys aren't a member yet, go ahead and join right now at solomontrading.com. You could also hit the QR code above. Marlon. Yeah, Marlon Silva, congrats if you're on here. 100K. Okay, Forex challenge passed in 2 days. Beautiful. This is a very pivotal moment because if you notice this, you got some kind of like little trend line action going on this. So if we can break below, this could dump on us. Let's look on the higher time frame real quick before I head out to members. I mean, we're up in this zone. We have all this imbalance on the 1 hour down here that this could dump to pretty easily. Don't know. We'll see. All right, see you there, Paul. All right, 1 more minute. I'm starting the members only live on Zoom. Welcome, members. All right, and also happy Veterans Day if you're a veteran. All right, finally moving a little bit. All right, cool. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. I'm starting up the members only right now. All right, God bless. Take care. Back it out. See you on there. Peace. Maybe on there a couple days. Awesome, Reams. Good to have you, buddy.